Hi everyone, you are watching Twin Birds. Today let us make carrot makhana kheer. For this recipe we will need 500 ml milk, 1 cup chopped carrot, 1 cup makhana, half cup water, half cup sugar, 10 ml ghee, 1 tablespoon jeeraga samba rice, 1 pinch salt, some nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios, cardamom pods, some saffron strands and a tiny bit of nutmeg. Now we'll soak the rice in some water. Wash the rice and soak it for about 20 minutes. And boil milk by simmering it for 15 minutes. We can now boil milk and we'll add a pinch of salt and cook the carrots along with the water until they are tender. When the milk comes to boil, you can start stirring with the and cooked carrots into a blender and grind it into a fine paste. Now we can transfer the carrot rice paste into the milk and add the makhana and some ghee and toast it. Lightly toast it. This is enough. Now you can allow it to cool a little bit and grind some makhana. Only a small portion of it. Now add 4 to 5 pieces of cashew nuts and some roasted makhana and grind it into a fine powder. Now add the ground powder into the milk mixture and mix it thoroughly. Allow it to simmer. Grind some cardamom powder and a tiny piece of nutmeg and make it into a fine powder. In a pan, heat some ghee and add the cashew nuts. You can chop them if you like. Now you can add the cashew nut and raisins into the ghee after coming to room temperature. Add the contents to the ghee. Now add the nuts and saute it. Now add pistachios. We can now powder the sugar along with some saffron seed, powdered cardamom and nutmeg. Add to the milk kheer. Combine everything very well. Add the nuts. Carrot makhana kheer is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.